Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how I make iced, carbonated, Tim's French vanilla cappuccino, Blackberry Hibiscus. First thing you gotta do is get the ice cubes from this mini metal bowl and you put into this mug. And then open up container. Go here, 1 and 2 scoops of the French vanilla cappuccino mix. Then after that, you pour in the hot water from the kettle. And last but not least, you fill in the Blackberry Hibiscus sparkling water into this mug. Just gotta let it settle. Let it go down a little bit, the bubbles. And fill in the rest. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced, carbonated Tim's French vanilla Blackberry Hibiscus. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching. Peace and have a good summer. Thank you.